YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sharky252 checking in. I know it's been a minute since I made a video, man. Crazy. Things got crazy really fast since my last video. But I figured I'll drop a video because honestly I have not been watching YouTube like I used to. Like back in the day, man. Not back in the day, but not that long ago. There were like key people I used to watch, but I don't think those people really make videos like that anymore. But I think as far as Mopar, man, the people that pretty much took over, I may be saying his name wrong, Josh Laurent and freaking Hemi Life 44 and Life of Mozzie and all those guys in Texas, those guys are taking over, man. Because what I would do is, my routine is I would type in Scat Pack Charger or Scat Pack Challenger or 392 Charger in YouTube and hit search, and whatever video came up, I press play and I just let it play. That way I was able to view everybody's video, and I would be able to see people that I normally wouldn't be able to get a chance to come across. But man, it was like every single Mopar video I came across was freaking Hemi Life 44 and Josh Laurent and Cooley B Coolin, and freaking Authentic Benny. All those guys they're taking over right now. My page, my channel's a little dry right now. My neighbor's backing in, but yeah, it's a little dry, man. I really don't have too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys what I got. So, all right, as far as my charger, the charger was supposed to be complete this month. It was supposed to already been done. So I'm actually dropping, what's today? Today is Thursday, March 26th, and I'm dropping the charger off this Saturday to Nashville. I'm dropping it off in Nashville to SRT Mush. He's gonna do some things to the charger and get some things done to it. And as far as the wrap is concerned, the design for the wrap is almost done. That should be done, man. I'll say probably another week. By next week, I'm hoping that the actual design will be done, and it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be sick. I already showed a few people what my initial wrap is gonna look like. The guy Skepple, at Skepple, SKEPPLE. I'll drop it right here. But Skepple designed my wrap, and I requested that he didn't post it on Instagram because mine is super unique, and everything I get, I try to make sure it's not like anybody else's. So this wrap is gonna be stupid. It's gonna be unlike anything you've ever seen, and y'all gonna like it. As this thing levels out, whatever this corona thing is jumping off, man, this the fluids, once this fluids calms down, we're gonna figure this thing out, man, so we can get this content jumping, man. I gotta keep up with these guys, these young boys, man. I gotta keep up with them. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. All right, peace.